Summer's quickly approaching, and we got the hot new gadgets you'll need for those last-minute travel plans, road trips, and just about anything. Hi, this is Zach, and thanks for joining me today. Here at Cable Wholesale, we're expanding our line of USB-C cables and adapters. These adapters are perfect for any time you're on the go. They're small, lightweight, and cover the basic needs in any situation. With this newly introduced technology for DisplayPort standard, you can easily connect your devices to high-definition displays, as the DisplayPort standard supports USB-C to high-definition video. So more products that use this standard can easily connect your devices to high-definition displays. These adapters work great on selective smartphones, newer fancy laptops, or devices that don't have these built-in ports. Just be sure to check the manual of your device to make sure it's compatible. In today's video, I'll be showing you our new products: the USB-C to HDMI 6-foot cable, USB-C 3-in-1 adapter, USB-C adapter, and the USB-C 4-in-1 adapter. Now let's take a closer look at these adapters. Summer is all about road trips. The kids are out of school, the weather is nice, and a 6-hour drive to your destination can't be that bad, right? This HDMI 6-foot cord is perfect for these road trips. It keeps your child content and distracted for these long rides. Simply plug the cord into your compatible phone or laptop and stream their favorite movie to project onto the screen to keep the little one entertained for hours. Our USB-C 3-in-1 adapter comes with 3 output ports: a USB-C charging port, HDMI port, and a USB port. Sometimes road trips tend to be longer than anticipated, and you just want to be sure your devices are fully charged without disturbing the peace. You can simply just plug in the USB-C 3-in-1 adapter to your laptop, connect the charging cable for your phone, and an HDMI cord to the HDMI port to watch your favorite shows without any interruptions. A happy kid, a comfortable ride, and a clutter-free car can make a road trip that much more enjoyable. Instead of carrying a charging cable for your outdated phone and another charging cable for your wife's new phone, why not get this nifty adapter that makes things clutter-free? Go ahead and plug in that vintage charging cable you have that is for a micro USB, and hand your wife this cute adapter when she needs to charge her phone that uses a USB-C. Now you'll never have to worry about tangled cables again. Maybe you're not much of a road tripper, as you mainly travel for business. This USB-C 4-in-1 adapter is perfect for any situation and suits every business traveler's needs. It includes 4 output ports: a charging port, HDMI, networking, and a USB Type-A port. This adapter works great when Wi-Fi connection is poor and you need a more secure direct connection. Maybe you're attending an off-site meeting and you want a more secure connection to present your presentation. Simply plug in the adapter and a networking cable without dealing with any connectivity issues when you're pressed for time. And if you need to connect to older monitors or projectors, don't fret. We also carry a USB-C 3-in-1 adapter with a VGA port. Our new line of USB Type-C adapters are perfect for any occasion and great for multi-use. Just make sure your device is compatible with these products. And if you have any questions, our tech support is here to help Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Pacific by phone and live chat on our website. These are just some of the new gadgets we carry here at Cable Wholesale, so make sure you go check out our site to take a good look at our entire new line of products. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up button. Comment below and let us know what videos you'd like to see next. Be sure to subscribe to our channels for more videos. Thank you for watching.